This is the scene of my earthquake. These two apartment buildings I think fell down because I didn't have enough money to retrofit them, which meant they weren't safe for an earthquake. These other modern buildings were built new, which meant they met the standards for an earthquake. This little hut was not safe for an earthquake due to the materials that it was built out of and its age. These apartments, some of them were retrofitted, the ones that are still standing, and the other ones that have collapsed were not retrofitted. The community centre was fitted with alarm systems and radio systems and emergency exit signs which help people evacuate and get to safety during an earthquake. The school runs education programs about earthquakes which can also help people survive an earthquake. The buildings up here were built on rocky ground which might have made them safer during an earthquake, although these ones over here still fell down because I didn't have time to retrofit them. You can see that this apartment building didn't fall down because I did retrofit it, whereas this one in the corner here has fallen down. Falling trees can also be a hazard during an earthquake and can damage surrounding buildings. Only 16 people died during the earthquake, and I believe this is because I provided safe housing that was mostly fitted and safe for earthquakes.